still relying on old SEO tricks. Google's new AI Gemini has already changed how local customers find businesses like yours. Here is the problem that we face in Google. Today, ranking on Google isn't about stuffing keywords or buying backlinks. Google Gemini uses artificial intelligence, not just what they type. Many local businesses are quietly losing visibility. Point 1. Smarter search. Point 2. Google Business Profile. Point 3. Reviews and trust. Point 4. Local content. Gemini analyses search intent. It rewards businesses that clearly explain their services, answer real customer questions, and provide useful information, not generic SEO content. Your Google Business Profile is now a major ranking factor. Gemini looks at your photos, updates, service details, and how customers interact with your listing to decide who shows up first in local results. Reviews matter more than ever, but not fake ones. Gemini evaluates review quality, consistency, and how you respond. Local content wins blogs, FAQs, and pages that mention your city, your services, and real customer needs perform better than copy-paste content. Google has evolved if your local SEO hasn't. Your competitors are already ahead. Adapt to Gemini-powered search today.